Hi, welcome back to the channel guys, and today we're going to talk about your filter and effects are not working while you try to upload your videos on your TikTok account. Now, we can believe there's millions of people out there who who loves to use the filters and the special effects, especially when it comes to upload videos. But for some reason, if you see it's not really working, your filter is not working correctly, then don't worry. Because here in today's video, we will show you how easily and simply you can solve the problem. Now, this problem mainly happens because of minor bugs or glitches, okay? Now, the quick way to solve your problem is very simple, okay? All you have to do is just go ahead and just tap on your TikTok applications, and after that, just go ahead and tap on your profile, and then you need to choose your hamburger icon, and then go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Now, scroll down here and simply find out this option called clear cache. Go ahead and tap on there, and now you'll be able to see it's now available to 0 megabytes. Well, quickly after that, just go ahead and force close your TikTok application on your iPhone or Android, and then just go ahead and just try to open up your TikTok once again to see if that works or not. Well, now even after that, if you see still it's not working on your TikTok application, then we will quickly tell you to just give it a quick force restart on your iPhone or Android to solve your problem. Now, if you're using an iPhone, all you have to do is just go ahead and press that volume up button and down button, and quickly press and hold your power button. However, if you're using an Android device, just go ahead and just turn it off and turn it back on. Alright guys, now quickly after giving a force restart by using your iPhone or Android, if you see still you're having problem with your filters or the effects, the next things we're going to recommend you to do is simple, okay? Just tap your App Store and then just tap on the search icon, and right after that just tap on here and simply type TikTok. Now after coming over your TikTok application, just tap on there and take a look whether you have the new update available for your TikTok applications or not. If you don't find out the new software update for your TikTok application, then just go ahead and just get out of here. Just go ahead and delete your TikTok application and reinstall it back again on your iPhone or Android to solve your problem. Now quickly after that, you will be able to tell that after doing all the process, all those filters and effects will be working once again and your problem will be solved. Alright guys, so this is how you can solve your problem. If you have any question or queries, just leave a comment, and that's all about this video.